Okay, here's what the video I was supposed to be making yesterday. Now here's for RV living, or if you want to move off the grid, or you just, you know, you like washing in cold water. Here's how. Now I told you I didn't want anybody to buy retail, okay? So this would be for like emergencies, or if you plan on going off the grid, or your washing machine broke and you don't want to buy another one because the current ones are cheap and they don't last long. This is what I bought when our washing machine broke. I bought this thing here. The handle's getting in the way. You can see it, it's light blue. Nice looking color. And what I do is, okay, I'm washing cold water. If you're washing cold water, you can do this right outside. Very easy. Fill it right from your spigot here. See my spigot? It is cold water. And I think I'm using Focus, so the granular stuff right here. Gets good suds here. As long as you have a heavy stream like this, you know, a powerful stream, you'll get good suds. But you do need that powerful stream. The best way to wash clothes, start your water, get about maybe an inch of water in there. Put your soap. You don't need nearly as much soap as they say you do. Okay? So anyway, I mean, because see how much this is. This wasn't even a tablespoon of granules, and it wasn't even a tablespoon. It was probably like half a tablespoon of soap granules, and this is the suds I'm getting. So anyways, then you want to, what happens after you fill with as much water as you want, then put the clothes in, okay? If you put the clothes in too soon, the soap won't be agitated. You know, it'll get stuck up in the clothing. Or right now I'm doing towels. Okay, so you got towels there. Put my towels in. I'm gonna stop this. There we go. Once again, this is just me, no tripod. So you get a wiggly camera when you watch my videos. So then I put in my towels, my bed linens. I got a couple pillowcases. Oop, got some grass in there because I'm doing it outside. Now here's this thing. Like I showed you this thing, your little handle, and you squish it like you were plunging a commode or a sink. Now what I do is I'll squish it, you know, I'll jiggle it around for a little bit. Usually then I let it soak, okay? I let it soak for a while. And do it some more, you know, jiggle it around. And then when I'm done, here we're going to have to jiggly camera again. When I'm done, the easiest way to do this is also have a clothesline over here, so you can just spray it down and on the clothesline, but my clotheslines are on the other side of the lawn. So anyways, I just like, I'm holding the camera now, so I'm using this post as a holder for me to just rinse it off, you know. I wear waders when I do this because my feet will get wet. And then I hang it up on my clothesline. If you want to, you can wring it out. But if not, just hang it on the clothesline like that. Throw it in your laundry basket. Have your laundry basket by you. Throw it in the laundry basket. And then, see, there's my, you're going to see my undies on here. I got my bra hanging on there. See my clothesline? That's one clothesline. Got two clotheslines. You see if I, oh, yep, there's the other one right there. So, yep. Anyways, I really like this thing. This blue washing machine, non-electric washing machine. Has a little handle. What I do, we have a roughed-in garage. And so we have, what do you call them? The beams overhead. Rafters, I guess you call them. Anyways, I take one of them big S-hooks and I just hang it from the S-hook, and so it's right where I can find it in the garage. Right where I can find it when I need it. Another thing, what I wanted to warn you about is, like, you're not going to want to use boiling hot water with this, because this is plastic. This washing machine, it's plastic. And this bin is plastic too. If you're going to use boiling water, you're going to want to use a metal, a metal bin. Like one of them old metal wash tubs. Because you don't want your plastic melting. And I would not recommend using this washing machine right here, this handle right here, for if you're using boiling water, because it might melt it. And the thing's only $33. I bought it on eBay, $33, free shipping. It came in 4 pieces. The handle unscrews. This middle part unscrews, comes into 2 parts, and then this unscrews from the end. So, yeah, I think it was a really good buy. I like washing when I wash cold and it's summertime. I like washing out here. I just recently bought this. So far, I like it. I strongly recommend pre-treating your items. If you're gonna start using this, pre-treat your items. As soon as you take your clothing off, before you throw it in the dirty laundry, look for any soiled spots, any stains, anything. Pre-treat them. And remember that you pre-treated it before you put them on. Because the thing is, most people use too much soap. And that's why they got to rinse so much. It's a waste of water, it's a waste of soap, it's a waste of resources. So remember that you pre-treat your laundry when you're filling your tub. So you don't use too much soap. Then it'll take less time, you won't have to rinse out as long. And you won't be spending much money. You won't be spending much money on water. You won't be spending as much money on soap, laundry detergent. Okay, this will save the resources of the planet too. Okay. So anyways, really like this. This was the video that I was supposed to do yesterday. Come to find out, I forgot to hit the record button. So anyways, and when you're done and you're ready to dump this out, it's best to be near plants, right? As long as you're not using bleach. I don't recommend using bleach on clothes. You can fill this up near your plants. See, my catnip's right here. Told you I grow catnip. This is my catnip. And when you're done, you can just dump it out on your plants. So you're double using your water. And also, this soap is supposed to help prevent certain bugs like mosquitoes, pesky bugs, gnats and stuff. So you dump it on there, it'll according to legend, urban legend, it'll help prevent the bugs from being around that area. Okay, thank you.